For ruling of slabs, determine the correctness otherwise of the following assertion and reason. Assertion: the grooves are made on the surface of the rolls parallel to the roll axis to achieve larger thickness reduction in the short time. Yes, this is true, because the groove in the roll helps guide the material and increase the surface area contact, which allows for more efficient thickness reduction. So basically the assertion is true. So reason: given mu is the coefficient of friction between the rolls and the slab, alpha is the angle of bite between the entrance plane and the center of line rolls. Unaided entry of the slabs in the roll takes place only if mu is less than tan𝛼. So this is wrong. Mu should be greater or equal to tan𝛼. Then only a effective entry of the slab takes place. So A is true and R is false. So option D is correct.